So we'll start off with, we're talking about hazard communication, employee right to know, globally harmonized system, classification, labeling chemicals, what was historically referred to as material safety data sheets, which are now just called SDSs or safety data sheets. Federal law requires that hazards of any chemicals produced and imported, they're classified, and that information is available to employers and employees. It includes labeling requirements, safety data sheets, and employee training. Product labeling is standardized. It's also not only in the United States, it's an international standard, hence the global part of the title. It includes pictogram, a product identifier, a signal word, hazard and precautionary statement, a first aid statement, and then the supplier or distributor information. This is a generic example of what one of these labels looks like. We'll have the product title at the top, which would be in the blue. The pictograms representing the dangers, in this case, flammable and respiratory hazard. Number 3 is the danger caution statement. Can cause damage to kidneys and liver, may be flammable, has vapors. The first aid statement as to what to do in this case, and as you'll see with many products, wash affected area, or it may say call emergency or call a local poison control center. It'll give you those first aid steps, what to do in case there's a exposure. And then lastly, number 6 is going to be either the manufacturer or the distributor information where you can contact for more info. Here in Health and Human Services Complex, we have physical hard copies of the safety data sheets located in yellow binders at the information desk at the front entrance. Those are the GHS standards, 16 section formats. We've all seen them over the years. It's going to give very similar to the labeling, except it goes into far more detail of the constituents of the product, more in so far as transportation requirements, and then deeper information regarding environmental hazards, physical hazards. We also have electronic access to a service called MSDS Online. All public health desktops and laptops have an icon on the top. It usually pops up as Internet Explorer and it'll say MSDS Online. It's very easily searchable. If you can use Google, you can use this service. You can use it to research what's in your product area. It's broken down by area, division, program. It's got the inventory for the health department, and then you can actually print compliant labels and safety sheets right out of that software, so you don't have to go hunting for them from the manufacturer's webpage. This is a still frame shot, and you can see it's very similar to any other online search engine. At the very top, there's a, let's see if I can use this mouse pointer. The very top here, this is where you can put in anything from product name, manufacturer, CAS number, product code, barcode, anything that product could possibly be identified with, you can search for in the service. Coming down, you can even do a more generic search based on the product name starts with, letters. You can search by manufacturers, search by, this is, right in here you can actually look by division to see what's in your work area. And then when you do a search, again, just like Google or Yahoo or anything else, it's going to pop up with the results in these windows, and here's some of the lists, and you can see some of the generic compounds. Really intuitive, really easy to use. I'm the administrator for the inventory, so if you have changes in your work area, please let me know so that I can update the inventory. And if you have any questions regarding the use of the service, please don't hesitate to contact me. I can be reached at 7812 or pe@dconc.gov. Any questions about data sheets or availability or this service? Has anyone here used the service? Anyone? Great. Money well spent. Should you actually care to use it, it's very easy. I'm a big fan of it, and it's a lot faster than trying to flip through. Last I counted about 300 pages in binders, so If you've got questions about the products that are in your area, please do take a look at the webpage and let me know if you have any questions. Any questions for now? All right, thanks, folks.